Hi, Momsy. Happy birthday. Thank you for taking care of me while I was little and when I was there in the Philippines. Please take care of yourself. I love you so much. See you soon. God bless.
Hi, Momsy! Happy birthday! So, I'll take this opportunity to say thank you for having me in my life. Because when I was still a kid, you've been taking care of me. And, yeah, for any of Ashley tsaka kay Layla. And, sana wag ka nang masyadong ma-stress para hindi ka na mahilo ng masyado, no? And then, ano pa ba? Ano pa bang gusto sa'yo? Mag-iingat ka dyan sa bahay and kahit saan ka man magpunta, yun lang. May God bless you, Momsy. Love you.
Happy birthday, Momsy. Nag-ready ako ng Bible verse for you. Ay sa Jeremiah 29, verse 11. For I know the plans and I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Wish ko lang, Momsy, a good health and ingat ka palagi dyan. Huwag mo pababayaan yung sarili mo. Pag may kailangan ka, message ka lang, one text away. We miss you and enjoy ka lang dyan. We love you and happy birthday again.
Hi, Mamsi! Happy 70th birthday! So sorry that we won't be there with you to celebrate your special day. But please know that you're always in our hearts and in our prayers. We always wishing you good health and happiness. And I hope someday makasama ka namin ulit dito sa Saudi, na makapagbakasyon ka ulit. Happy birthday. I love you and see you soon. Bye.